Today we are stepping into a cozy corner of creativity where forgotten things find new life and old memories shine once again. You see, every button once belonged to a story, a coat your grandfather wore, a dress you made for love, or a shirt that saw you happy a day. And today we are turning these teeny circles of memories into magical Christmas art, a button craft upcycling Christmas decoration. So grab your jar of old button, some glue, little thread, a sprinkle of imagination. Let's begin our Christmas crafting journey together. As I sit by the window, the winter breeze hums softly against the glass. The world outside is painted with silver mist. Inside my table is filled with colorful buttons, red, green, gold, and white. I picked one up, smooth, round, and shining, and I can almost hear its story whispering. This one was from my old red sweater, the one I wore during my first Christmas party as a teenager. Now it will become a part of Christmas ornaments, maybe a little tree or a snowflakes or a heart filled with golden thread. Start by arranging buttons on a piece of cardboard in the shape of Christmas tree mix size. Big one at the bottom and the one on top teeny. Add a jeweled string loop on the back and there you have it, a charming button Christmas tree ornament. Next, let's make a button wreath. Cut out a round ring from recycling cardboard, cover it with burlap or any leftover fabric. Now glue your buttons around the circle. Alternate red, white, and green, and small ribbon bow on top. It's so simple, yet every button adds personality. Every color tell a story. You can hang this wreath on your wall, your door, or even on your Christmas tree. And the best part, no two wreaths will ever be the same, just like no two Christmas memories are never like. As we continue, let me share a small story. There was a once little girl named Anna who loved collecting buttons. She found them everywhere on the floor in her mother's sewing box, even from the clothes that were too old to wear. Once Christmas, her family could not afford new decoration, but Anna had a jar full of buttons, all shapes and colors. She spent the night gluing them onto paper stars or hearts, tying them with string and hanging them on the small wooden tree. When morning came, her family woke to find the tree sparkling with colorful buttons. It was fancy, but it was full of love, and that love made it shine brighter than any store-bought ornaments ever could. And that, my friends, is the heart of upcycling Christmas crafting, turning ordinary things into extraordinary joy. Now let's add more sparkle to our buttons craft. Use glitter glue or golden thread or highlight edges. Mix button with beads, pearl or small bells for the jingly festive touch. You can even sew buttons or small fabric heart or stocking for handmade gifts. If you have kids, this is perfect family activity. Let them create their own buttons, stars or snowmen. Each place become a memory. Smoothing you will cherish every Christmas when you hang it again. Crafting is not about decoration, it's about connection. Every button you place is a moment of mindfulness. Remember how small thing can bring big happiness. As the water workshop comes to end, take a moment to look at what you made, colorful, creative, and full of soul. From something old, you have created something new. That's the magic of upcycling. And every time you see those button ornaments glowing under the Christmas light, remember the hands that made them, laughter shared, and the warmth of creativity. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoy, so please share with your friends and family.